How to fix attempted switch from DPC error in Windows. 1. Run the hardware troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 2. Update Windows and all your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run sfc scan and dism. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 4. Remove the problematic drivers from device manager. 7. Remove the problematic applications using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 8. Disconnect your DVD drive. 9. Google how to slow down your SSD drive. Hint, for Samsung SSD users, run Samsung Magician software.